Hi everyone, my name is Jean and it's great to see you today. Find a comfortable spot in your house with plenty of room to move. We're going to start sitting in peace pose, which is legs crossed and you're sitting nice and tall. We're going to start with 3 big balloon breaths. They're called balloon breaths because they look like balloons. So you're going to take a big breath in and let your air out. 1, 2, 3. Great job. You know, yoga means union or connection. It's the coming together of your mind and your body. And today we're gonna have a little community of ourselves, with ourselves. So we have a couple rules for this community. The first rule is love. So you're gonna reach your arms out and gather some love. You're gonna gather up kindness and respect and love and goodness. And the first thing you're gonna do is bring that in and give yourself a big hug. Love yourself first. And then you're going to send out that love and share that kindness to everyone else in the world. Love yourself, hug, 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 and then send it out into the world. And the other big rule is to listen. So you're going to take your fingers like this and smush them together. You're going to start at the very top of your ears and give yourself a little ear massage. Now it's important to listen in class and today, but it's also super important to listen to yourself. So today we're going to start by moving our bodies. We're going to stretch our feet straight out in front of us. And we're going to take a big breath in. And then we're going to rain all the way down our legs. We're going to rain on our toes and all the way up our legs. And we're going to take another big breath in. And rain on your toes. Tickle those toes. And you're going to pull all the way up your legs and rain on your legs. One more big breath in. And reach down and rain on your toes. And all the way up your legs. Now, after the rain, you might see a beautiful rainbow. So we're going to make a big rainbow over ourselves. So we're going to start with our hands out like this. Reach our arms straight up and over and draw a big rainbow. Whoosh. Whoosh. Now pretend you've got that rainbow over your head. And we are going to count. We're going to say the colors of the rainbow together. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. What a beautiful rainbow you've made right over your head. Now the sun is out. The sun always follows the rain. So we're going to do a sun breath together. It's a lot like a balloon breath, but you stretch your arms out, take a big breath in, and then you just make the shape of the sun all the way back down. Right. 2 more sun breaths. Big breath in. And sparkle some sunshine for us too with your fingers. Good job. 1 more big breath in. Sparkle, sparkle, sparkle. The sunshine is out. Good job. Now we're going to stand up to be closer to the sun. Stand nice and tall. We are going to do peace like a river. So you can just follow me on the moves, but make sure you're standing nice and tall. I'm going to start our music. start with your hands together like this.
I've got peace like a river. I've got peace like a river. I've got peace like a river in my soul. I've got peace like a river. I've got peace like a river. I've got peace like a river in my soul. I've got love like a river. I've got love like a river. I've got love like a river in my soul. I've got love like a river. I've got love like a river. I've got love like a river in my soul.
Joy.
I've got joy like a river. I've got joy like a river. I've got joy like a river in my soul. I've got joy like a river. I've got joy like a river. I've got joy like a river in my soul.
Great job, friends. Thanks for following along. Now we're going to do a little yoga fun. This song has a funny name, Yogini. That's the name of the girl in the song. And you just have to follow along with this one too. It starts slow, it gets a little silly, and it goes faster and faster. Get ready for the Yogini went to see.
Yogini went to see what she could see, but all that she could see was the bottom of the deep blue sea. Yogini went to jai to see what she could jai, but all that she could jai was the bottom of the deep blue jai. Yogini went to knee to see what she could knee, but all that she could knee was the bottom of the deep blue knee. Yogini went to Uwachua to see what she could Uwachua, but all that she could Uwachua was the bottom of the deep blue Uwachua. Yogini went to see Jaini Uwachua to see what she could see Jaini Uwachua, but all that she could see Jaini Uwachua was the bottom of the deep blue sea Jaini Uwachua. Okay, everybody, we're going to pick it up a little bit. Here we go. Yogini went to see what she could see, but all that she could see was the bottom of the deep blue sea. Yogini went to jai to see what she could jai, but all that she could jai was the bottom of the deep blue jai. Yogini went to knee to see what she could knee, but all that she could knee was the bottom of the deep blue knee. Yogini went to Uwachua to see what she could Uwachua, but all that she could Uwachua was the bottom of the deep blue Uwachua. Yogini went to see Jaini Uwachua to see what she could see Jaini Uwachua, but all that she could see Jaini Uwachua was the bottom of the deep blue sea Jaini Uwachua. Okay, everybody, are you buckled up now? Here we go. Yogini went to see to see what she could see, but all that she could see was the bottom of the deep blue sea. Yogini went to jai to see what she could jai, but all that she could jai was the bottom of the deep blue jai. Yogini went to knee to see what she could knee, but all that she could knee was the bottom of the deep blue knee. Yogini went to Uwachiwa to see what she could Uwachiwa, but all that she could Uwachiwa was the bottom of the deep blue Uwachiwa. Yogini went to see Jaini Uwachiwa to see what she could see Jaini Uwachiwa, but all that she could see Jaini Uwachiwa was the bottom of the deep blue sea Jaini Uwachiwa.
Good job, friends. That was a tricky one. Come on and have a seat with me again. All right. Before we relax, we're going to do a very special song about a butterfly. So the first thing you need to do is put the bottoms of your feet together. Put your knees out. And when we start the song, you'll be flying with your knees. If it's hard to do, you can help your knees. But if it's easy, go ahead and do it, and you can do arms too if you want. But first, before we do that, we're going to take time to paint ourselves. So pick out your favorite color. I think I might be blue. Scoop up some paint and paint your wings. And paint your arms. We've got plenty of paint. Scoop it up, paint your cheeks and your hair, your nose and your toes and your knees and your elbows. Right, get paint everywhere. And if you're feeling particularly glittery or sparkly, add some glitter or spots in another color or stripes on your belly, whatever you want. It's your butterfly. And now we're going to do the butterfly song. All right, put your hands on your ankles and start flying. Good job, friends. Just like that.
Fly like a butterfly, fly like a butterfly, fly like a butterfly in the sky. Fly
Good
like
job.
a butterfly, fly like a butterfly, fly like a butterfly in the sky.
Now put your head all the way down on your feet and rest like a butterfly.
Sleep like a butterfly, sleep like a butterfly, sleep like a butterfly through the night. Sleep like a butterfly, sleep like a butterfly, sleep like a butterfly through the night.
Oh, time to wake up, butterflies. Oh, stretch your arms up really high.
Stretch like
And
a
stretch
butterfly,
one foot up
stretch like a butterfly, stretch
and the
like
other
a
foot up.
butterfly, up so high.
And you can try both feet if you want.
Stretch like a butterfly, stretch
Good
like
job.
a butterfly, up so high.
Now put your feet back together and get flying. We've got to fly back to take a little rest.
Fly like a butterfly, fly like a butterfly, fly like a butterfly in the sky. Fly like a butterfly, fly like a butterfly, fly like a butterfly in the sky.
Oh, good job, friends. Take a big breath in. Great job doing the butterfly song. Another big breath in. Big balloon breath. And now, friends, it's time to relax. So lie down on your mat, and we're going to pretend that we're on the beach today. And the waves are coming in and lapping on the shore. And just outside, we can see dolphins playing. So take a big breath in and let it go. Let your body be totally relaxed.
My friend, though many are better than me in knowing the life of the deep, deep sea, my friend, I'm here to offer thee my I brought my love with me. My friend, I hear you calling to me from the depth and the waves of the deep blue sea. I can't dive down to the bottom with you, but I'll dive to the depth of my heart so true. My friend, we are one, though you're called dolphin and I'm called human. My friend, I'll see you again. My friend, my dear dolphin friend.
Great job resting, friends. Take another big breath in and let it go. Notice what your body feels like right now. Now we're going to wake up our bodies gently. So take your hands and rub them together. Like you're making cricket sounds. See if you can hear the sound of the cricket in your hands. You can rub your feet together too, like crickets if you like. And then you're going to roll over and come on slowly up and sit up in peace pose. Nice and calm. So we'd like to do a song today, a little chant called I Am Happy. So we start with our wisdom fingers up like this. And the words are, I am happy, I am good. Here we go. I am happy, I am good. I am happy, I am good. I am free. Happy, happy, happy to be me. Do it with me. I am happy, I am good. I am happy, I am good. I am free. Happy, happy, happy to be me. Shh. I am happy, I am good. I am happy, I am good. I am free. Happy, happy, happy to be me. I am happy, I am good. I am happy, I am good. I am free. Happy, happy, happy to be me. Great job, friends. Thanks for doing that with me. It's important to remember to stay positive. All right, sit still and close your eyes. Take one deep breath in and let it go. Notice how you're feeling. Thank yourself for doing a good job today. Say, thank you. You did a good job today. Awesome. Let's do one more big balloon breath. Put your hands on your heart. Feel your heartbeat. And know that the happy and good in me sees the happy and good in you. Thank you for sharing your practice with me today. Stay calm, and I hope you'll join us again soon for yoga.